welcome back to Warrior FPV. I'm so glad to see you here for episode 2. So we're getting things kicked off with me learning to fly a 5-inch quad on a simulator, because I can't fly the real thing here because of where I'm at, which I mentioned in my introductory video. As I mentioned in my introductory video, we're going to be flying using this, just a generic gaming controller, which quite frankly was very difficult because it doesn't have the sensitivity like a real RC controller, and the throttle is always going to center. So the other thing I'm going to use is a product called Liftoff. Liftoff I downloaded from Steam. Is a fantastic simulator. The physics are really good from what people told me. I have in the past, quite a long time ago, flown RC helicopters, not FPV, just watching them. And it does seem very real to me, but you know, you quad experts, you'll know. So let's go ahead and try this out, see what you think, get a good laugh at me, and let's have an adventure. Alright folks, it's the big day. I'm finally going to try this out. I'm excited. I've been building up to this, watching lots of tutorial videos, and I can guarantee I'm not ready for this, but I've got to start sooner or later. Luckily I'm doing this with a simulator and not a real freaking drone, because I'll probably trash it right off. Unfortunately, because of my location, I'm having to use this piece of crap, but that's the only thing I could get right now. So we'll see how hard it is. I'm guessing it's not the same as a real RC controller, but we'll find out. With that being said, I'm not going to start rambling, so let's get with it, and so you can have a good laugh. Let's see. Free flight. Yeah, we'll go with free flight. We'll go with straw bales, since that looks easy. Field day after hours. Well, let's just make this simple and go with no track, because this other stuff I have no clue. Loop the silo. Well, I'm not doing loop the silo. Against the grain, don't know what that is. Barn burner, don't know what that is. Let's just go with no track. I'm assuming that's just open field. So yeehaw. So I did look at a couple drones before. I was trying to muck around with things. Don't know what I was doing, but I mean, so I am going to buy, probably, I know there's going to be some haters out there, but because of where I am and I don't have the ability or the time to build me a drone right now, my plan is to get a DJI FPV. So I did download that pack. Let me see if I can find the silly thing in here. I mean, I would really love to build something like these 5-inch quads that I see everybody flying. I have zero experience with it, but I'm sure I can figure it out because I am an engineer. But for now, I'm going to go with the most expensive option, and probably the most expensive to crash, DJI FPV. So let's go with that one. The model looks pretty damn cool. Alright. Yeehaw. Got my trusty controller. I'm going to put it down here where it's a little easier to hold. So. Hey, there we go. Drone disarm, move throttle down to arm. Okay. Okay, throttle's down. Oh crap. Okay, so first problem. This controller automatically centers, so as soon as I let go, it goes straight up in the air. So let me try this again. I'm going to try and pinch it, since that seems to be the thing to do. Okay. First shot, upside down. And it reset. Thank goodness for that. Yay. Yes, I do have God mode on. Really? Okay, up. Oh, Oh my gosh. Okay, so it may be a little bit harder than I was thinking. Just a little bit. Come on, baby. Oh. Hey. Oh. God. That was a horrid noise. I don't know what that was all about. Okay. Again. Up we go. Up we go. There we go. Cute little guy. Come on. Come on. Hey, I'm flying backwards really well. I'm bouncing off the ground really well. Okay. Man. Alright, it's been a while. Still on the same map. Still trying to do the same thing, but I've managed to do at least this. Up we go. Hey, look at that. I can fly forward. And then I crashed. But I got forward. I didn't crash immediately. Instead of 1,000,000 times, I only crashed 500,000 times now. I'm down 500,000. Let's see if we can get down into the 100,000 times. Yeah. Oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby. Ha. See? Let's go. Okay. I'll get back with you. Obviously, I'm going to need better controller, and I got to figure out how to do it because it's an issue. I can't get a controller out here, so I'm going to have to see if I can find something I can get delivered. So now I can do this stuff, but I can tell you right now, this Xbox controller, generic controller, is really hard to use. But I can at least fly. Sort of turtle mode. Alright everyone, thank you for joining me on that episode. I had a lot of fun trying to learn to fly. Liftoff was impressive, to be honest. Even with that silly game controller, I managed to have some success, and it gave me hope. So there's a lot of things I didn't show. The controller plugged in and did pretty good. I did have to change the accesses and to do a couple things. I regret I didn't film that part. Also, by sheer dumb luck, I ended up in acro mode. I think what I'm going to have to do is come back and do another video with my new controller and show a proper setup video with rates and all that stuff and how you switch between modes and show you what I've learned since then. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun for me. I hope you got something out of it. And until next time, I hope you find a great adventure to have.